Hola medicos, in this video I am going to explain you about the multiple myeloma bone marrow aspirate. Okay, what is multiple myeloma? It's a B cell neoplasm that's associated with proliferation of single clone of immunoglobulin secreting plasma cells. Of course, I know you got a little bit confused. I will make it very simple. There is a neoplasm of plasma cell which secrete excessive of antibodies which are of only single type or one type. One variety of antibodies are secreted by these neoplastic plasma cells. That's it. Okay, this is the bone marrow aspirate this is bone marrow aspirate I took from the Robbins textbook. Of course, the slide, not the bone marrow. In this bone marrow, you can see so many of similar type of cells. What are these cells? Of course, these are all plasma cells. In a normal bone marrow, these are not so many, but in a neoplastic conditions like multiple myeloma, it will be filled around 30%. So 30% of bone marrow cells are plasma cells in multiple myeloma. That's okay. Then you can see the nucleus may be 1 or 2. So you can observe 1 or 2 nuclei are there, and cytoplasm is bluish cytoplasm is there, and there are so many tiny droplet like things just like water bubbles. They are nothing but Russell bodies. As you know, these cells secrete excessive of antibodies in neoplastic conditions, so they need to be stored. These excess bodies are stored in Russell bodies. Okay. Russell bodies are present in cytoplasm. You can observe that all these Russell bodies are present in cytoplasm. If these type of droplets present in a nucleus, then it is called as Dutcher body. So if it is in cytoplasm, then Russell. If it is nucleus, then Dutcher. Okay. If you observe little bit closely, then you may notice a prominent nucleoli, and this beautiful cell that lies in the center of our slide, this is called as Mott cell. It contains grape-like Russell bodies. You can see here, right? These are arranged in a grape-like manner. Actually, in this cell, it's not too much. In so many cells, they might rupture. Just they look like they are rupturing out of the cell. And hypercellular, as I said, it must exceed more than 30% to diagnose the multiple myeloma. And you always need a bone marrow aspirate to diagnose multiple myeloma. And one more thing I missed here, you are seeing a light bluish color here completely dark, but here little bit white of bluish area is there. That is called a perinuclear clearing. Perinuclear clearing. It is because of prominent Golgi body. This is everything about the bone marrow aspirate of the multiple myeloma. We will look into the immunophenotype. It's very simple. It's positive for CD138, 56 and SYNDECAN1. And genotype, there will be a diverse rearrangement in the IGH and also 13q deletions. Of course, I know these are difficult, so that I have written here. Try to remember as much as possible. If you felt this funny or awkward, just let me know in the comment box, because I am struggling to explain all these things. I don't know how I explained. Thank you for listening once again, and thank you for listening once again. Thanks.